my dear students. How are you all? I hope you all are doing good, isn't it? Okay, did you all attend the last lesson? Okay, in the last lesson, we discussed how to add when more than two numbers are given, isn't it? So we wrote all the numbers according to the place value, and then we started adding from the ones place, isn't it? In today's class, you're going to see how we are going to do subtraction. I think you all know doing subtraction, isn't it? But we have not dealt with large numbers. So we will do the subtraction of large numbers. Okay, so shall we start the class? Are you all ready? Okay. So see, we have taken an example here. Okay, and what is the question? Subtract 19 lakhs 96,529 from 53 lakhs 72,873. So that means, okay, we have to subtract the first number from the second number. So whatever is coming after from, that has to be written on the top. മനസ്സിലായോ? From കഴിഞ്ഞിട്ടുള്ള number ആയിരിക്കണം മുകളിൽ എഴുതേണ്ടത്. Okay, so subtract 19 lakhs 96,529 from 53 lakhs 72,873. So always the second number after from whatever is coming, this is a tip for you. Okay, so idoru hint aanu ningalku. So whatever is coming after from, that has to be written on the top. Okay, so let us try to place the number according to the place value. Okay, so we will write first 53 lakhs 72,873. So how do we write in addition? We write it according to the place value, isn't it? So the same thing in subtraction also, we will place the number according to the place value. Where do we start from? We will always start from the ones place. So let us start. So 3, 7, 8, 2, 7, 3 and 5. So I have placed 53 lakhs 72,873 according to its place value. Now, what operation are we going to do? When I mean operation, it is not surgery, okay? It is arithmetic operation. So we are going to do subtraction, and the symbol for subtraction is minus. So I put it here and then I represent the first number. What is the first number? Come on, read the number with me. 19 lakhs 96,529. Okay, so from where do we start representing? എവിടുന്നാണ് നമ്മൾ represent ചെയ്യാൻ തുടങ്ങുക? Always from the ones place. See, everyone answered the question. Very good. So let us start placing the second number also. Okay, now I have written both the numbers and we have to start subtracting. Subtracting എന്ന് പറഞ്ഞ എന്താണ്? മൈനസ് ചെയ്യുക അല്ലെ? അപ്പൊ നമുക്ക് എപ്പോഴും നമ്മൾ മൈനസ് ചെയ്യാൻ തുടങ്ങുമ്പോൾ എവിടുന്നാണ് തുടങ്ങേണ്ടത്? Always from the ones place. So one thing you have to remember, that from a smaller number, larger number cannot be subtracted. From a smaller number, a larger number cannot be subtracted. അപ്പൊ അങ്ങനെ വരുമ്പോ എന്താ നമ്മൾ ചെയ്യാറ്? We have studied in the last class, isn't it? We go to the next house and we will borrow one. Yes or no? Yes. So we will see how to do this question. Okay. So now see in the ones place, we have 3 and then we have to subtract 9 from 3. 9 is a bigger number. Yes or no? 9 is a bigger number. Can we subtract 9 from 3? No, we cannot subtract. Appo nammal endha cheya? Appo 3 parayum, 9 nodu wait cheyu. Let me go get 1. Okay, 110 from the next house. Okay, so what happens? 7 from 7, 1 is given to ones place. So When we say 1, it is 1/10. Okay, it is not 1, it is 1/10. അപ്പൊ നമുക്ക് ones-ല് place value-ല് ഇപ്പൊ എത്രയായി പറയൂ 1 3 എന്താണ് 13 ആയി. 13 is greater than 9, isn't it? 13 is always is greater than 9. അപ്പൊ ഇനിയിപ്പോ 13 minus ചെയ്യാൻ പറ്റില്ലേ? ചെയ്യാൻ പറ്റും. But what happens to this 7? From 7 we have given 1. So what happens? It will become 6. Okay. Now we have to subtract 13 minus 9. Now everyone tell me what is the answer? 13 minus 9. എങ്ങനെയാ ചെയ്യാ? 9 കഴിഞ്ഞിട്ട് 13 വരെ എണ്ണിയാ മതി. Okay. So 9 കഴിഞ്ഞാല് 10, 11, 12, 13. How many fingers? 4 fingers. So the answer is 4. So when we subtract the ones place, 13 minus 9, we are getting 4. Okay. Now we will go to the next place value to subtract. And what is the next place value? Tens place. Then here 6 minus 2. What is 6 minus 2? Can we subtract 2 from 6? Yes, we can subtract 2 from 6. Why? Because 6 is a greater number, isn't it? So how do we do it? After 2, you start counting till 6. 3, 4, 5, 6. How many fingers? 4. So the answer in the tens place is going to be 4. Now, can we subtract 5 from 8? Tell me. Yes, we can subtract 5 from 8. Why? Because 8 is greater than 5, isn't it? Okay. So after 5, start counting. 6, 7, 8. So how many fingers? 3 fingers. So 8 minus 5 is 3. Okay. Till this, is it clear to you? Okay. Now in the thousands place, we have to subtract 6 from 2. അല്ലേ? 2ന്ന് 6 നമുക്ക് മൈനസ് ചെയ്യാൻ പറ്റുമോ? പറ്റില്ല. എന്തുകൊണ്ടാണ്? 2 is smaller than 6. So what should 2 do? 2 should go to the next house and borrow 1. Yes or no? So what happens? 7. From 7, 1 10 is given. So in thousands place 1 2, it becomes 1 2. And what is 1 2? 12, isn't it? Now from 12, can 6 be subtracted? Yes, it can be subtracted. But what happens to this 7? ഒന്ന് കൊടുത്തില്ലേ? അപ്പൊ ഒരെണ്ണം കുറയില്ലേ അവിടെ? അപ്പൊ അതെന്താവും? 6 ആവും അല്ലേ? ഓക്കെ. അത് എഴുതാൻ മറക്കരുത്. സോ അപ്പ തന്നെ ഒരെണ്ണം കൊടുത്ത് അപ്പ അവിടെ റെഡ്യൂസ് ചെയ്തിട്ട് എഴുതണം കേട്ടോ. ഇല്ലെങ്കിൽ നമ്മുടെ ആൻസർ തെറ്റിപ്പോവും എഴുതാൻ മറന്നിട്ടുണ്ടെങ്കിൽ. Okay, now we are having 12 minus 6. So 12 is greater than 6, isn't it? So can we subtract 12 minus 6? Yes, we can do it. Very good. അപ്പൊ എല്ലാവരും ഒന്ന് സബ്ട്രാക്ട് ചെയ്തിട്ട് ആൻസർ പറഞ്ഞ എന്താ വരികയെന്ന്? 12 minus 6. Everyone subtract it. I will also do it. So if for subtraction, I will count after the number which is there at the bottom. So after 6, I will have to count till 12. So 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So how many fingers? 6 fingers. So 12 minus 6 is how much? 6. Okay. Now see this. Now let's go to the next place value, which is 10,000 place value. Now 6 minus 9. ഇത് നമ്മൾ വായിക്കുമ്പോൾ എങ്ങനെയാ വായിക്കുക? 6 minus 9. 6 ന്ന് നമുക്ക് 9 മൈനസ് ചെയ്യാൻ പറ്റുമോ? പറ്റില്ല. So what should we do? Everyone is answering. We will borrow it from the next house. So from 3, 110 is given. So it becomes 16. It becomes 16. So what happens to 3? It will become 2. Now 16 minus 9. Now everyone do 16 minus 9. After 9, count till 16. After 9, count till 16. So after 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. So how much? 7. So 16 minus 9 is 7. Okay? All right. Now from 2, can we subtract 9? From 2, can we subtract 9? ചെയ്യാൻ പറ്റില്ല. Why? Because 2 is smaller than 9. അല്ലേ? ഇപ്പൊ നിങ്ങളുടെ അടുത്ത് 2 ചോക്ലേറ്റേ ഉള്ളൂ. എനിക്ക് 9 ചോക്ലേറ്റ്സ് നിങ്ങൾക്ക് തരാൻ പറ്റുമോ? തരാൻ പറ്റില്ല. അപ്പൊ എന്താ ചെയ്യാ നിങ്ങള്? നിങ്ങളുടെ ബ്രദറിനോടോ സിസ്റ്ററിനോടോ എന്ത് ചെയ്യും? ചോക്ലേറ്റ് വാങ്ങിക്കൂ അല്ലേ? ചോദിക്കൂ അല്ലേ? അതുപോലെ തന്നെ here 2, 9 cannot be subtracted from 2. So 2 will go to the next house to borrow, next place value to borrow. So from 5, 1 is given. So it will become 12. And what will happen to 5? 5 will get reduced to 4. Okay. So 12 minus 9. After 9, we will count till 12. 9 കഴിഞ്ഞ് 12 കിട്ടുന്നവരെ കൗണ്ട് ചെയ്യാം. എന്നിട്ട് എത്ര ഫിംഗേഴ്സ് ആണെന്നുള്ളത് പറയാം. അപ്പൊ എല്ലാവരും ഒന്ന് ചെയ്തിട്ട് ആൻസർ പറഞ്ഞേ. ചെയ്തോളൂ. കൗണ്ട് ചെയ്യൂ. 9 കഴിഞ്ഞാൽ 12 കിട്ടാൻ വേണ്ടിയിട്ട്. Everyone count after 9 till 12 and tell me how many fingers are you getting? 10, 11, 12. 3 fingers. So 12 minus 9 is 3. Very good. Then 4 minus 1. How much is 4 minus 1? After 1, you have to count till 4. So 2, 3, 4. How much is it? Again, 3 fingers. So the answer is 33,76,344. Come on, read the answer along with me. 33,76,344. എല്ലാവർക്കും മനസ്സിലായോ? It is very easy, no? Addition and subtraction is very easy. But you have to practice, okay? All right. Now, we will see one more question. ആദ്യത്തെ ക്വസ്റ്റ്യനും രണ്ടാമത്തെ ക്വസ്റ്റ്യനും ഒരു ചെറിയ മാറ്റമുണ്ട്. ആദ്യത്തെ ക്വസ്റ്റ്യനിൽ നമുക്ക് തന്നത് subtract one number from the second number. So whenever from word is coming, we will always write the number after from in the first, in the top, okay? To subtract. But here it is directly given, isn't it? ഇത് ഡയറക്റ്റ് തന്നതല്ലേ? 9,06,606 minus 83,418. That means we can directly represent the first number first, minus എഴുതുക, എന്നിട്ട് സെക്കൻഡ് നമ്പർ എഴുതുക. അപ്പൊ നമ്മൾ ആദ്യം മിസ് പറഞ്ഞു സബ്ട്രാക്ഷൻ ചെയ്യാൻ നമ്മൾ ആദ്യം എന്താ ചെയ്യേണ്ടത്? നമ്പേഴ്സ് പ്രോപ്പർ ആയിട്ട് പ്ലേസ് വാല്യൂവിൽ എഴുതണം അല്ലേ? എന്നാലേ നമുക്ക് തെറ്റാതെ നമുക്ക് സബ്ട്രാക്ഷൻ ചെയ്യാൻ പറ്റുള്ളൂ. Okay, so even if you don't write this ones, tens, thousand, 10,000 and lakhs, you have to neatly write digit under digit. Otherwise, you will make mistakes when you are doing subtraction. All right. So let us first represent 9,06,606 on the place value chart. So I have represented this. Okay. Then which arithmetic operation are we going to do? Subtraction. So I'm putting a minus symbol. Okay. All right. Okay. Minus symbol ittu. ഇനി എന്താണ് ചെയ്യാൻ പോണത്? അടുത്ത നമ്പർ നമ്മൾ അതിന്റെ താഴത്തേക്ക് കറക്റ്റ് ആയിട്ട് എഴുതുന്നു. So whenever we are writing numbers, we will always start representing from which side? Always from the ones. Okay. നമ്മൾ ഒരിക്കലും ഇവിടുന്ന് നേരിട്ട് എഴുതില്ല. നമുക്ക് എപ്പോഴും നമ്മൾ എഴുതുന്നത് കറക്റ്റ് ആയിട്ട് എഴുതണമെങ്കിൽ we should always start representing from the ones place. Okay. So I have represented both the numbers. Okay. And from which place we will start subtracting? Always from the ones place. Always from the ones place. ഇതൊക്കെ നിങ്ങൾ കറക്റ്റ് ആയിട്ട് ചെയ്യുകയാണെങ്കിൽ നിങ്ങൾ ഒരിക്കലും എന്ത് ചെയ്യില്ല, സബ്ട്രാക്ഷനിൽ മിസ്റ്റേക്സ് ചെയ്യില്ല. Okay. Now let us go to the ones place. From 6, can we subtract 8? We cannot subtract 8. Why we cannot subtract? Because 6 is smaller than 8. Unless 6 is smaller than 8. So what happens? 6 goes to the next place value for borrowing. Okay. അപ്പോൾ 6 എന്താ ചെയ്യണത്? അടുത്ത ഹൗസിലേക്ക് പോവാണ്. പക്ഷേ ആ ഹൗസിൽ ഏത് നമ്പറാ ഉള്ളത്? 0. So can 0 give anything? It's already 0. എന്റെ കയ്യിൽ ഒന്നുമില്ല. എനിക്ക് എന്തെങ്കിലും നിങ്ങൾക്ക് തരാൻ പറ്റുമോ? തരാൻ പറ്റില്ല. So what does this 0 say? 0 says to 6, please wait. Let me borrow 1 from the next house and come. Okay, so 0 goes to the next house, that is 100's place value to borrow 1. Okay, so 6 gives 1 to the tens. Tens place like 0 no കൊടുത്തു. അപ്പോൾ അത് അവിടെ നമ്പർ എന്തായി? 1 0 is 10. So now 0 has 10, isn't it? So from 10 can we give 1? Yes. So what happens to this 6? It will become 5. And from this 10, what happens? 1 is given here. So it will become 9. Now see the ones place. We have 16. So from 16 can we subtract 8? Yes, we can subtract 8. Okay. So after 8, everyone start counting till 16. After 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. How many fingers? 8 fingers. Alright. So 16 minus 8 is 8. Okay. Now see the tens place. 9 minus 1. 9 minus 1 is very easy. We can say it's so quick, isn't it? So 9 minus 1 is 8. Can we subtract 5 minus 4? 5 minus 4 ചെയ്യാൻ പറ്റുമോ? ചെയ്യാൻ പറ്റും. What is 5 minus 4? 1. Okay. Now the next number or the next place is thousands place. And we have 0 minus 3. Can we do 0 minus 3? No, it is not possible. So what happens? 0 goes to the next house to borrow. But that also has nothing. So again, it goes to the 0 which is there in 10,000s place will go to the lakhs place. Okay, lakhs place leki poi borrow cheyanayittu. So from 9, 1 is given to the 10,000s place. So what happens? And from that 10, 1 is given to thousands place. So the 9 will become 8 and this 10 will become 9. Okay. ഇനിയിപ്പോ നമുക്ക് ചെയ്യാലോ? Yes. From 10 can we subtract 3? Yes. So after 3, start counting till 10, everyone. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So 10 minus 3 is 7. What is 9 minus 8? It is 1. And do we have anything to subtract? No. So we will just bring down that number. Okay. So when we are subtracting these two numbers, we are getting the answer 8,17,118. Okay. All right. Very good. I hope you all have understood this. Did you all understand it? Yes. Very good. So, but understanding is not enough, children. You will have to practice a lot of subtraction questions which is there in your textbook. Okay. The next exercise is subtraction and there are questions in it, and please do practice it. If you practice it, you will find that subtraction is very easy. Okay. Will you all do all the questions? And if you have doubts, you have to ask it to your subject teachers. Okay. All right. Thank you so much, children. See you in the next class. Okay. Till then, take care and stay safe. Bye bye.